Hi everyone, welcome to a NECEF art tutorial. Since it's Easter this weekend, we're going to be drawing a baby chick inside an eggshell. The materials you will be needing for this tutorial is a piece of paper, a marker or a pencil, and a few colored pencils. So first, we're going to start off with our pencil or marker, and we're going to start drawing the eggshell. So the eggshell is basically a large, kind of like a U shape. So next, what we're going to do is, because eggs don't break perfectly, we're going to make this edge a little jagged. So we're going to draw a few V's and zigzags. They don't have to be even. Some can be small and some can be big. Okay, so now that you have your eggshell finished, we're gonna start drawing the actual chick. So the chick is gonna be like the same shape that we drew for the eggshell, but it's gonna be on top. So you're gonna want to start the body inside the curves of the eggshell. So for example, I'm gonna start about here. So it's inside the eggshell. And you're gonna draw a curve. If you're using a marker, make sure you leave a gap around here because we're gonna be drawing some feathers. So like that. And come back down like that. And there is the body of our chick. So next we're gonna be drawing the little feathers on the top of the chick's head. So you're gonna start by drawing a small bump like that, and then draw a slightly bigger bump connected to it, and then a very large, tall bump, like that, and bring it all the way down like that. Next, we're gonna be drawing the chick's face. So for the beak, it's gonna go right in the middle of the face, and just draw a kite shape. So kind of like a triangle shape without the line. For the eyes, we're just gonna draw two circles, one to the right and one to the left. And then we're gonna draw two smaller circles inside. I'm gonna be drawing my circles on the top left corner. Like that. And then just fill in the circle, the bigger circle. Make sure you're not coloring in the white part. I mean the smaller circle you just drew. Like that. And now your eyes are finished. So next we're gonna draw the wings. So the wings are kind of like a 3, and they're gonna be connected to the body. So first start a little bit to the right. Make sure you're leaving a gap, and just draw a 3 and connect it to the body. And then go slightly above it right here and go up and curve down like this. And as you can see, that makes the wing of our chick. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Leave a gap and then make a 3. And then another curve, like that. So now our chick has 2 wings. To add some more dimension to the eggshell, we're gonna draw a curve connecting the point to the body of the chick. Like that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and color that in. And as you can see, this just makes it a little bit more 3D looking. and it actually looks like the chick is inside the eggshell. Okay, so finally, you can decorate your eggshell. You don't have to follow exactly what I'm doing. You can design your eggshell however you want to. But for today's tutorial, I'm just going to be drawing a few stripes and triangles. So I have a few stripes there. I'm going to draw some circles. And then I'm going to be drawing some triangles like this. And remember, you can design your shell however you want to. And I'm just going to draw a few more circles here. Okay, now that you have everything drawn out, you can go ahead and color. So I'm going to start coloring the body of the chick with a yellow, and the beak is going to be an orange. Remember that you can use any colors that you want. Try to color inside the lines. So this is our finished product after coloring. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and please be sure to check out our other YouTube videos on our channel and sign up for more free online classes on our website. The link will be down below. Thank you for joining me today.